Top 3 AI apps you should be using in future. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It is a powerful tool you can use right now to save time, boost creativity, and increase productivity. Let's dive into the top 3 AI apps you should be using today. First up, ChatGPT. Whether you're writing emails, planning your day, or creating content, ChatGPT is your personal assistant, idea generator, and research buddy. It answers questions, writes text, explains complex topics, and even helps you code. Second, Canva Magic Studio. This AI design tool takes the stress out of graphic creation. Just describe what you need, and it will generate images, social media posts, videos, and even presentations with little to no effort. You don't need to be a designer. Canva AI turns your words into stunning visuals. And third, Notion AI. This app is a productivity powerhouse. It can summarize notes, create to-do lists, draft blog posts, and even manage your projects using AI. It turns your messy thoughts into clear action plans. Perfect for students, writers, and teams. Bonus, all of these tools have free versions you can start using today. So whether you're working, studying, or just exploring ideas, these 3 AI apps can completely change the way you get things done. Welcome to the future of productivity.